Choose the text tool and write your desired text. Then select the rectangle tool, create a square, and place it behind the text. Send it to the back and resize it to the same size of the text. Select both items and group them. You can now select the group and click on the padding button and select the internal padding. I went with the following dimensions: 8 for the top, 24 for the right, 8 for the bottom padding, and finally 12 for the left. I then double click and adjust the corner radius to 6. Change the color of the button. I then duplicate the button by holding the Option button and sliding to the left. Font Awesome is a great font to have if you want to add icons just like a font. Go to fontawesome.com, select an icon and copy the glyph and then paste it back here. And then click on the button and create a component. Now this button is fully responsive.